during a time like this, and someone has been questioning their marketing strategy, what are some things that maybe were on the fence for you that you've started doing more of, and how did you get kind of rolling into that?
In terms of my own marketing, my brand,
or from a company that you consult with, or if you had a restaurant at this point, what would you have done?
I would definitely show more of, like I said before, the humanity of what's going on. One of the things I've been doing is
what do you mean? What do you mean by humanity of that?
Well, like, maybe share the stories of the farms that we work with. Share this. Maybe one of your employees, like the Canlis Restaurant Group. They had like whoever the employee is really great at making bagels. Maybe they film a video and you show one of your employees making bagels that is now as a recipe for your followers. That you follow you on social media. One of the things I've been doing is, all right, like, I probably should have about 6 months ago, but TikTok's starting to get pretty popular. I don't do a whole lot of actually cooking on my page, so I'm using TikTok as a way to do short form, 1 minute videos on how to make. Last night I did paella and donuts and things like that. So there's a way to kind of provide value, not just come in and get our food because we need you to stay open.
What's your handle on TikTok?
It's Chef Chris Hill.
Interesting. When do you think I can get a haircut?
Well, I saw that. I did see, and going back to talk about media, I saw that the governor,
an elective procedure.
Yeah, and for surgeries and for dentists, I think too, which that's a good sign. I know our areas seems to be mellowing out a little bit.
Wait! Getting a haircut is an elected procedure?
No, you should call it that, Zach.
Yeah.
That's a procedure.
Damn mop on his head.
Yeah, I mean, I can't wait to see what this looks like if I go on a walk during this crazy windstorm. So